Welcome back everybody to Heather's East Kitchen. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious, easy pepper steak. So stay tuned for this video. Alrighty guys, so the ingredients we're going to be using, guys, we got 2 cups of brown sugar, some garlic, some cut up onions, some green peppers, and we also got some ginger and some cornstarch. So we're going to start off with getting your pan heated up. I'm going to put some olive oil in this pan, and I'm going to let that heat up for about 2 to 3 minutes. All right, so once your pan is all heated up, guys, you want to go ahead and start cooking your steak. I broke mine down into 2 batches, guys. This is my first batch of steak, and then once these are done, I'm going to cook my second batch. And I let each batch cook for about 5 to 6 minutes before I took it out the pan and set it to the side. All right, guys, so make sure you give it a little stir as you're cooking it. You want to make sure your meat is fully done. It's done when it's no longer pink, and it's going to cook some more once you put everything together. So you can take it out when it's no longer pink and set it to the side. All right, now that the meat is done and set to the side, we're going to start preparing our vegetables. So we're going to go ahead and put some more olive oil in a clean pan, and we're going to get our sauteed onions and green peppers together. So make sure you heat this pan up for about 2 to 3 minutes as well, and then you're going to go ahead and start putting in your onions. Let those saute until they're translucent, and then once those are done, you're going to go ahead and start putting in those green peppers and let those get done until they're just a little bit soft, al dente, I would say. I'm using a lot of onions, guys, because my dish today is being made for a family of 5. So that's why mine might be a little more than what you may make, but you only need about 1 large onion and 1 medium onion if you want to make a nice amount. All right, now that your onions are almost translucent, you're going to go ahead and add in your green peppers. You're going to mix them right to the same pan and let them cook together for about another 2 to 3 minutes, and then you're going to take them from the pan and set them to the side. All right, guys, so now we're going to get the sauce together. In that glass cup, guys, that's some soy sauce. I got about 2 cups in there. And then we got the cornstarch, the garlic, the ginger powder, as well as some brown sugar. That's going to consist of the sauce ingredients. So I'm going to start off by putting my 2 cups of brown sugar into the soy sauce, and then I'm going to give that a little stir. There's no real rhyme or reason as to what order you need to put the ingredients in the bowl, guys. You just want to get the soy sauce in first and then stir in all the rest of your ingredients. All right, so you want to add your meat back to the pan, and then we're going to add the sauce and let that simmer for a little bit. All right, guys, so go ahead and add that sauce back into your pan. All right, so once you add the meat, you want to give it all a little stir just to let it all mix in together, the meat and the sauce. We're going to let it get to a little bit of a simmer before we add the vegetables to the pan. All right, so now's the time where we're going to add those sauteed vegetables into the pan. Get out a little bit of a stir right there and let that simmer for about another 5 minutes. All right, guys, so there you have it. The meal is complete. Please enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.